Welcome to Best Digital Marketing. In 10 minutes or less, we'll show you how to create a website using the Google SEO Guide to give you the highest Google rankings possible. We have used the Google SEO Guide for many years on client websites to great effect. The revenue-generating effects can last many years, even if content is unaltered. It is what Google needs to understand, index, and display your website on its organic search results pages. A link to the guide itself can be found in the video description. Many articles about SEO surprisingly make no reference to Google's SEO Guide, especially since they describe what needs to happen regarding the content, website structure, images, tags, etc. These are features that you have much control over. Following this guide to the letter is more important than ever, because Google's organic search results no longer display just 10-page results. There is now an infinite scroll of many more pages, as you can see on most searches. Ultimately, Google is in complete control of if and where your pages will appear, so to focus on what Google wants pays massive dividends, especially when most of your competitors have not. While Google admits they won't reveal their secrets, the SEO Guide is still chock full of useful information that can help you appear at or near the top of the search results. The responsibility falls on you to help the Google algorithm understand your website. We will be skipping around the guide to highlight the most important points that we've found through our years of experience. On Google or any other search or video platform, the starting point for information retrieval is the keyword phrase typed into the search box. It's as simple as that. You will need to figure out what are the actual keyword phrases your prospects would use to find you. At first, don't think of the site design, even though it is still important. Think of how to get your targeted audience to your site to actually view it. A pretty design does you no good if searchers can't find it. Each of your site pages should function to target these different searchers representing their unique keywords in finding your products and services. We define a site page as its title tag, URL, page heading, page content, and images. Each of these components should contain keyword phrases. But how do you obtain this information? You can access it for free using Google Autocomplete. By using Google Autocomplete, you can see examples of real searches people use to find what they're looking for. Therefore, the keywords on your website should closely resemble what you find. Another free tool with a low-cost paid option is Keyword Tool Dominator. The link is in the description. Dominator taps into Autocomplete to give you more insight into the many keyword phrases that your prospects would likely use in the search box. Using these tools, you should conduct research to create the site structure and page content necessary for convincing prospects to choose your company. Once you have a long list of appropriate keyword phrases, use them to tailor your site to your potential customers' search patterns through the site structure. What is the site structure? It is the navigation links, title tags, URLs, and page headings that make up every page of your website. You can also see the title tags and URLs of sites on all Google search results pages. That is how important they are. A title tag that you often see on website home pages is Home Company Name. This will not tell the Googlebot anything about your products and services. Company searches using your company name will usually pose no problem for the Googlebot to bring your site to the top of the results page. We are focused on your products and services keyword searches instead. We'll come back to the site structure shortly, but let's focus on its individual components. The title tag is probably the single most important feature of SEO. It's what you click on to get to a site on Google or any other search engine. The title tag should be accurate and unique, and the guide shows the code behind the title tag. The Googlebot actually uses the code view, not a site's design view, to determine each page's topics. Next up, the URLs. Google wants you to improve the structure of your URLs, so they're simple to understand and convey content information easily. URLs are also displayed and highlighted in search results. They must be keyword-laden from your research and not hieroglyphics which the Googlebot can't decipher. Next, the page headings. In the code, use keyword-oriented heading tags appropriately with the H1 main page heading tag, the most important, down to the subheadings through H6, the least important. The headings should relatively match the site structure title tag and URL keyword phrases, as well as the text content of the page. Now, let's revisit the site structure as viewed on a spreadsheet. This is what a site structure actually looks like. It acts as a guideline to be followed to construct your website with page content to match the site navigation links, title tags, URLs, and page headings. Notice the diversity of the keyword-saturated makeup of this information. The site structure makes a huge difference in helping the Googlebot and searchers. It can also help search engines understand what content the web developer views as important. Think of these individual pages as your salespeople out on Google, responding to unique inquiries often from totally new prospects. Description meta tags may be used, but they are code-only tags done by the website developer, not on the physical web page. However, we have never used this tag because Google displays this description under the title tag on the search results pages as a static description snippet for all searches. We actually want Google to highlight all of the keywords used in the unique search that can be found in the text content of a page. The static description oftentimes doesn't have all of the keywords used by the searcher, even though they may be in the text content. With Google highlighting the searcher's intent, this indicates to them what they are searching for is present on the page, leading to a better click percentage for that page. Next, the all-important page content. The page content is critical to your Google rankings and should be written for both the searchers and the Googlebot. Once you get your target audience to your site through proper SEO, interesting sites will increase their recognition on their own. Creating compelling and useful content will likely influence your website more than any of the other factors discussed here. As it pertains to general informational content, users know good content when they see it, and will likely want to direct other users to it. Anticipate differences in users' understanding of your topic and offer unique, exclusive content. It's important to reflect on what Google is saying here to organize and write about your topics effectively. Finally, optimize your use of images. Image-related information can be provided by using the alt attribute and simply naming your images descriptively. All of it is Googlebot readable for better SEO. The alt attribute allows you to specify alternative text for the image if it cannot be displayed for some reason. As a bonus, alt text also helps screen reading tools describe images to visually impaired readers. Avoid using generic file names like image1.jpg or pic.gif. All of the details that we've discussed in this guide decidedly add up to far better SEO when combined. The rest of the SEO guide provides very useful information, but we have covered the major points that so many website owners routinely neglect. There are videos on some of the other guide topics at Best Digital Marketing on how to get Google to find all of the pages of your site quickly and to possibly exclude some from its index. How to get better local search coverage is also covered in the Google Business Profile video. If you work on and execute the SEO points that we have covered, you will be very successful in drawing many new prospects to your website. By taking these Google-sanctioned steps, you will focus on how your prospects search and what they desire. This always leads to better content for both the prospects and the search engines, leading to continual sales growth. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, please support the channel by patronizing our sponsors found at the links in the video description. May good luck be with you. Since 1995, Target Marketing Solutions has been providing continual sales through continual prospect sales leads, phone calls, requests for quotes, and e-commerce sales for many companies across North America. Your sales growth is always the end goal for the websites, paid search or pay-per-click campaigns, videos, social media, and e-commerce projects that we create for our clients. All sales goals are tracked and reported onto our clients through data tracking tools. How do we create continual sales growth for our clients? By substantially increasing their website search traffic from Google, which massively dominates North American direct search traffic. Nothing else is remotely close to Google with a near 90% market share, especially in direct business-to-business traffic. We target the right new prospects through researching potential prospect search patterns and then implementing these findings on all aspects of our client websites and internet marketing campaigns. This is all done according to the SEO principles developed by Google itself for high page 1 rankings in Google's natural search results pages. For ultimate sales success, website structure, website content, pay-per-click, social media, and videos all must adhere to these very important principles. We are more than just website designers because it's more competitive than ever to get coveted Google high rankings that drive new prospects to your site. Our company has developed hundreds of sales-focused, custom, state-of-the-art websites and internet marketing programs for specialized industries and many professions such as industrial and manufacturing, medical, pharmaceutical and healthcare, law firms, science and technology, food services, e-commerce, B2B, and B2C companies. Our aim with all of our clients' services is to be highly effective, highly targeted, and for you to be highly profitable. You will receive attentive, personalized customer service 24/7. Call 1-888-239-0332, visit targetmarketingsolutions.us, or email us at info@targetmarketingsol for a no-obligation analysis of your marketing from our talented team.